Okay, this is Raptor 660 decompression pin. So my engine won't turn over because it's too much compression. My decompression pin wasn't work right because it was shaved off. Like if you can see, it's all scratched. So it's about 1/8 of the inch was shaved off. So this is a new one, supposed to look like this guy. Right here. This is the new. So it's have like a dome on it. So when you try to start it, these things, they're not moving. When it spins faster, these things opens like this, I guess. Yeah, like that. And this is a pin goes inside when they open. If you can see it. Yep, it goes. So this is pressing a valve and decompress the compression inside the piston. So that's how it works. If your engine won't turn over and you feel like it's too much compression, it's have not enough juice. Otherwise, yeah, it's not gonna turn over, or you probably have a bad starter. This first thing. Another thing is this pin over here. This is was my problem. So yeah, come on, focus. Okay, if anybody have a problem with actually it's not only Raptor 660, it's any quads or dirt bikes. If it's too much compression, you feel like it, this is the problem, the pin. Okay, thank you.